Today in this video I am going to show you uh, user sync from Foodics to Odoo. So for that, let's just create an user at Foodics side. So I am going to the creating a user, adding username, let's say Shubh, and we can select a language and we can add an email address, shubh@com, and we can add a password. Just saving this record. Let me change the password. Okay, so now the username is already created, and we can go back to all user. There. Okay, so now I'm just going to the Odoo, and in Odoo, we have already connected with the Foodics, so there we can see all the features for the syncing option. So there we just need to click on the user syncs. Before syncing, we can check the current user. So for that, let me go to the user. So for now we have total 6 active user, and all are internal user. So now we are syncing the user. So for the sync the user, we have this button, sync user. So once the sync user all are done, we'll got a message for successfully sync is done. So now we just refresh the user here. So now we can see this new user has been created with proper data, what we have given there, email address and all. So this is how we can manage sync operation for the user from Foodics to Odoo. So for another features, we will provide a new video for this. This is it for now. Thank you everyone.